Good morning students. In this session we will see the topic mutation, its types and how the particular advantages and disadvantages of the mutation is there. Now what is mutation in simple terms? Sudden heritable change in genetic material or character of an organism is known as mutation. Individuals showing this certain changes are known as mutants. Now what are these mutants? That those individuals in which mutation process has occurred, so they don't remain as the original individual, somewhat changes occur and they are referred to as mutants. An individual showing an altered type of phenotype due to mutation are known as variant. Altered type of phenotype. Now what is phenotype? We have studied earlier students that phenotype means physical appearance. So what was the original physical appearance was that due to mutation it gets changed, and that is the type of individual is referred to as variant. Now factors or agents that causing mutation, they are generally known as mutagens. Mutation which causes changes in base sequence of a gene are known as gene mutation or point mutation. Now related to the history part of mutation, English farmer Seth Wright recorded case of mutation first time in 1791 in male lamb with unusual short legs. The term mutation is coined by Hugo de Barris in 1900 by his observation in Onondaga. Systematic study of mutation was started in 1910 when Morgan genetically analyzed white eye mutant of Drosophila. As we have seen the particular experiment, that how he observed the mutant type in Drosophila. H. J. Muller induced mutation in Drosophila by using X-rays in 1927. He was awarded with Nobel Prize in 1946. Now what are the different characteristics of the mutation? Generally, mutant alleles are recessive to their wild type or normal alleles. Now recessive to wild type, what it means? Recessive means they are remaining unexpressed or they are least expressed as compared to the original type or the original alleles. And what are alleles? That is the alternative form of gene. Most mutations have harmful effect, but some mutations are also beneficial. Spontaneous mutations occur at a very low rate. Spontaneous means sudden, that is that do not occur due to any kind of chemical or any type of physical, it is just sudden. So that is known as the spontaneous mutation. Some genes show high rate of mutation. Such genes are called as mutable gene. Highly mutable sites within a gene are known as hotspots. Mutation can occur in any tissue, cell. It may be either somatic or germinal of an organism. Now somatic and germinal means somatic, it occurs in a somatic, that is the normal cells, or it may be germinal, that is the germ cells that are responsible for forming the reproductive organs, or in which the meiosis process occurs. So in those cells also the mutation process can result. Now classification of mutation based on the survival of an individual, different categories of the mutation is there. First is the lethal. Lethal means it is somewhat dangerous. When mutation causes death of all individuals undergoing mutation are known as lethal. Second, sublethal mutation, it causes death of approximate 90% of individual. Third, subvital mutation, such mutation kills less than 90% individual. Here students please note down, sublethal means it causes death of 90% and subvital, that is kills less than 90% individuals. Vital mutation, when mutation don't affect the survival of an individual are known as vital, that is important mutation, they are known as vital mutation. Supervital mutation, This kind of mutation enhances the survival of individual. Means if such kind of mutation results, then it will increase the survival rate of individual, and such mutations are referred to as beneficial mutation. Based on causes of mutation, first is spontaneous mutation. It occurs naturally without any cause. The rate of spontaneous mutation is very slow. Example is methylation followed by deamination of cytosine. Rate of spontaneous mutation is higher in eukaryotes, that is in well-developed organism, as comparison with the prokaryotes. Example, UV light of sunlight causing mutation in bacteria. So it is having the higher rate of causing mutation in eukaryotes as compared to the prokaryotes. Induced mutation, that is are due to treatment with either chemical or physical agent, are called induced mutation. The agents capable of inducing such mutations are known as mutagen. As we have seen in the earlier slide, use of this induced mutation for crop improvement program is particularly known as mutation breeding. Now such induced mutation is used whenever we want some desired changes, such as in agriculture, or if we want to create certain hybrid plants. So such induced mutation are useful. Now example here, if we use the X-rays causing the mutation in cereals. So this is the example of the physical rays we are using in the mutation process, that is in crops. Based on the tissue of origin, they are classified into the particular, that is the first one, somatic mutation. It is a mutation occurring in somatic cell, that is in normal cell is called somatic mutation. In asexually reproducing species, somatic mutation transmits from one progeny to the next progeny. Second, germinal mutation. When mutation occur in genetic cells or reproductive cells, they are known as germinal mutation. In sexually reproductive species, only germinal mutation are transmitted to the next generation. Means here, the somatic mutation, it is restricted to only one generation only. The changes, they are not transmitted to the next generation. Whereas in the germinal mutation, if they are occurring in the germinal cells, then certain changes they will transfer to the next generation also. Based on the direction of mutation, that is the forward mutation, it occurs from the normal wild type allele to the mutant allele. They are known as forward mutation, means from the wild type or from the original individual, it gets converted into the mutant individual, or the allele is converted into the mutant allele. Reverse mutation, when mutation occurs in the reverse direction, that is from mutant allele to the normal type, are known as mutation, that is the reverse mutation. Now, which are the traits they are affected? First is visible mutation. Those mutation which affects on phenotypic character and can be detected by normal observation are known as visible mutation. Means which we can see by our naked eye. Such type of they are known as visible mutation. Biochemical mutation, which affect the production of biochemicals and which does not show any phenotypic character, are known as biochemical. Means such changes occurs internally and we can't see such type of production of biochemicals through our naked eye. These changes occur internally. Now, change in the structure, that is chromosome mutation, it may involve change of the particular structure. Either the chromosome it is lost or it can be gained also. Chromosome mutation, they are generally of 5 types, that is deletion, inversion, translocation, non-disjunction and duplication. So students, shortly we will see how are these 5 types differ from each other. Now first, that is deletion. It occurs due to breakage. Here you can see a piece of chromosome is lost. Suppose this is whole short arm and long arm of chromosome, it is visible. Now here you can see the red part. Here the red part, it is deleted from this one, and finally the chromosome, it is, that is the arm of chromosome, one arm of chromosome, it is visible like this way. So this is known as the deletion. Second, inversion. Chromosome segment breaks off, segment flips around backwards, and segment then reattaches. You can see in the figure, this is purple part, this is red part, this is yellow part, and finally what happens here, this part that is rotates, and here this green parts come here in the front, as we have seen in this, that is it is below, and here comes in the particular in the front section. So this type of mutation is known as inversion. Next is duplication. It occurs when a gene sequence is repeated. Now here you can see the yellow part. Here it is repeated 2 times. This is first, it is original, and second, the same copy it is repeated. So this is known as duplication. Translocation involves 2 chromosomes that aren't homologous. Part of one chromosome is transferred to the another chromosome. Here you can see the figure. Here the 2 particular different chromosomes are there. Now here this, from the white type, it is cutted, and this type white part goes to here, and this black part comes here. So this is how, that is after translocation mutation, how the chromosome they are looking. You can compare the figure, that is before translocation and after translocation, what is the difference. Non-disjunction, failure of chromosome to separate during meiosis. So because of that, this non-disjunction process occur. It causes gamete to have too many or too few chromosomes, and it may result to the disorders such as the Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome. So I hope students up till now this mutation, it is clear to you. I have discussed in simple language each and every topic of this different types of mutation. If any doubt is there, then you can mention in the comment section. Thank you.